brief you on the details as we know them today about the officer-involved shooting that occurred on Friday, March 13th, 2020. This is OIS number 4 for 2020, non-fatal number 4. Same time last year, OIS number 3, non-fatal number 3. Date and time of call, March 13th, 2020 at 10 p.m. It was a person stop. Location of OIS, 4505 Lindale Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121. This is located in the Southeast Area Command. You can see the scene to my left. Time of OIS. Shots were fired at approximately 10:01 p.m. The involved officer was Coleman Barnum. He is 26 years old and has been with the LVMPD since 2016. In this incident, Officer Barnum was armed with a Glock 17 9mm handgun, equipped with a tactical light and an optic sight. The investigation revealed he fired 4 rounds during the incident. Officer Barnum is assigned to the Community Policing Division, Southeast Area Command. We do have video from body-worn cameras. I will show you that video at the conclusion of my remarks. The suspect in this officer-involved shooting was identified as a juvenile. Therefore, no personal identifiers or criminal history will be provided to the public. Suspect's weapon. The suspect was armed with a .40 caliber semi-automatic handgun. The suspect did not fire his weapon during this incident. The charges for the suspect: resist a public officer with a firearm and possession of a firearm by a child under 18. Before I provide the details of the OIS, I will briefly explain the call sign that the officers utilized and why they were patrolling this specific neighborhood. The officers were operating as a 2-man patrol unit. LVMPD has a designated call sign for officers who are assigned to certain high crime areas. In this incident, the officers used a call sign of VC. That stands for violent crime. In the last 3 years, this neighborhood has had numerous shootings. In response to these violent crimes, our agency installed ShotSpotter technology and designated violent crime units in this particular area. As you are well aware, our sheriff's top priorities are to reduce violent crime and improve quality of life and customer service for the citizens of Las Vegas. Details of the OIS. On Friday, March 13th, 2020, at approximately 10 p.m., 2 officers were conducting proactive patrol in the area of 3200 Ferndale Street at the Parkdale Recreation Center, which was closed at that time. The officers observed 2 individuals walking in the park that is part of the recreation center. One of those individuals was later identified as a suspect in the OIS. Both individuals observed the officer's patrol vehicle, and the suspect began to walk further into the park away from the officers. The second individual walked towards the officers. However, he was not detained. The officers parked their patrol vehicle and began to look for the suspect who had walked away. Officers located the suspect a short time later, but he ran from officers into an adjoining neighborhood. Officer Barnum was in the area and located the suspect near the intersection of Greendale and Lindale Avenue as he ran from the other officers. Officer Barnum exited his patrol vehicle and chased the suspect on foot and observed a firearm in the suspect's right hand. Officer Barnum issued verbal commands for the suspect to drop the firearm. The suspect did not drop the firearm and continued to run from Officer Barnum. The suspect ran into the front yard of 4505 Lindale Avenue. At the same time, Officer Barnum observed a citizen walking on the sidewalk towards the same yard that the suspect had entered. The suspect sat down in the front yard facing Officer Barnum, still holding the firearm. At that time, Officer Barnum fired 4 rounds at the suspect, striking him at least 2 times. Additional officers arrived and assisted with taking the suspect into custody. Medical was summoned and the suspect was transported to Sunrise Pediatrics, where he is currently listed in stable condition. I will now show body-worn camera footage of the officer-involved shooting.
Linden Greendale, he's got a .413 in his right hand. Hey, drop the gun! We're gonna go back, he's on the ground. He's still got the .413 in his hand. He's approaching a citizen. Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop it! Put your hands in the air! Shots fired! Shots fired! Put your hands in the air! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Put your hands in the air! Go back inside! Don't reach for anything! Do not reach for it! Put your hands up! Put them up! He's got a 413, don't know where. Put your hands in the air!
What you're about to see next is a Ring doorbell video that captured this incident. And this concludes our briefing. Thank you very much.